Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Raymond Noble here. Sorry I haven't had a video in a little bit. Uh, didn't have a lot of topics, so I actually was in a trading, and the subject was reverse mortgages, and he was going through all of the different things about a reverse mortgage, and then he said something that sparked my interest in that with a reverse mortgage, you never have a payment. All you pay is your taxes and insurance on your property. And so he used the term reverse mortgage purchase. And I said, and he said that with a 1 to 4 unit. So if you bought a 4 unit building and use a reverse mortgage, which means you got to put about 50% down, you could in essence have income for the rest of your life. So you could live in one, and let's say rents are 1,500, you'd have $4,500 a month in income, as well as if you're 62, so you can get Social Security. So you're making $5,000, $60,000 a year with one property. I thought that was a real good idea. So tell me what you think. Um, Hit me with some comments on this video and let me know what you think. Reverse purchase on a 4 unit building and be able to collect rents and Social Security. It's a way. Let me know what your thoughts are, man.